What happened?
He flew this way, went down there, flew back this way, turned fast here, and he slid into that. Smashed that out.
What did he hit?
He hit down the toilet there.
Oh, okay. Then he bounced all the way over here?
Yeah,
Wow.
he couldn't hold it. He turned and swayed, just slammed it, kept going.
Wow.
The whole
That's an expensive day out.
Saw when he's going that way, huh? These took off. Yeah, I saw everything. When he went that way. Where you go?
Go there.
Oh, great.
It took off.
I did run.
Black t-shirt. Black t-shirt,
Wow.
glasses, and a hat.
He's a genius right there.
Whoo! Where is he?
Yeah, he lost control. Slid out, slammed, and ripped off the whole thing.
Wonder if it's a rental.
No, just like what the gentleman said.
Oh, yeah. I'd be like,
Dude! Where's my skateboard? There it is. Alright.